Smooth, fast, and fuss-free. Here are 5 Braun shavers that get you out the door looking sharp. First, Braun Electric Shaver ProSkin Rechargeable, $150. 5 blades wet/dry. The Braun ProSkin Rechargeable Shaver, about $150, packs 5 blades and a wet/dry rating so you can shave in the shower or on the go. Expect a comfortable close shave and the flexibility of foam, gel, or dry use. Its rechargeable system means quick top-ups before work, and the 5-blade layout is designed to follow facial contours for fewer passes. A solid everyday shaver for smooth, irritation-aware results. Second, 310's Electric Shaver Rechargeable Razor, $40. Pop-up trimmer IPX7 waterproof. If you want a budget option, the 310's is roughly $40 and surprisingly capable. It's rechargeable, has a pop-up trimmer for sideburns and grooming, and IPX7 waterproofing so cleaning under running water is effortless. For an inexpensive, no-fuss razor that handles basic facial hairstyles and stays easy to maintain, this is a practical pick, especially for travelers or backup kits. Third, Braun Electric Shaver Shaving Waterproof, $200. Series 7 100% waterproof. Stepping up to around $200, the Braun Series 7 offers a premium, fully waterproof design for smooth, advanced shaving performance. Series level tech adapts to beard density for a closer, more comfortable shave, and the waterproof chassis means complete convenience for wet shaves and rinsing. If you want a high-end Braun that blends comfort with dependable battery life, this model delivers. Fourth, Braun Electric Shaving Trimmer Charging, $120. Precision Trimmer Quick Charge at about $120. This Braun shaver includes a precision trimmer and quick charge capability, perfect when you need a fast top-up before heading out. The precision trimmer helps sculpt beards and clean up edges, while the rapid charging